Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How to sync a Roku remote without a pairing button. Learn how to sync a Roku remote without a pairing button using simple, proven steps. This guide explains remote types, quick fixes, and alternative methods to control your Roku TV when the remote won't connect. Perfect for beginners. 1. Identify your Roku remote type. Not all Roku remotes require pairing. Infrared (IR) remotes do not have a pairing button and work automatically when pointed at the TV. Voice or enhanced remotes without visible buttons often rely on Wi-Fi setup instead. Knowing the type avoids unnecessary steps. 2. Use line of sight for IR remotes. If your remote has no pairing button, it is likely IR-based. Make sure there is a clear line of sight between the remote and the Roku TV. Replace batteries and test basic buttons like home and volume to confirm functionality. 3. Restart your Roku TV. Power cycling helps reset internal connections. Unplug the Roku TV from power, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the home screen appears, try using the remote again. Many syncing issues resolve after a clean restart. 4. Replace or reinsert batteries. Weak batteries often cause syncing failures. Insert fresh batteries and ensure correct polarity. For IR remotes, batteries alone control signal strength, so this step is critical before trying other fixes. 5. Use the Roku mobile app as a temporary remote. Download the official Roku app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku TV. The app functions as a remote, allowing you to navigate settings and continue setup without a physical remote. 6. Connect Roku TV to Wi-Fi using Ethernet. If Wi-Fi pairing is blocked, plug an Ethernet cable directly into your Roku TV or router. This allows enhanced remotes to auto-connect and lets you access settings through the Roku app without pairing issues. 7. Reconnect Wi-Fi through settings. Using the Roku mobile app, go to Settings and GT, Network and GT, set up connection. Reconnecting Wi-Fi can restore communication between the Roku TV and remotes that rely on network discovery. 8. Check for remote interference. Bright lighting, sunlight, or other IR devices can interfere with signals. Reduce interference and point the remote directly at the Roku TV sensor, usually located near the power LED. 9. Update Roku TV software. Outdated software can cause remote compatibility issues. Using the mobile app, go to Settings and GT, System and GT, Software. Update and install any available updates to improve stability. 10. Consider a replacement remote. If none of the methods work, the remote may be faulty. A compatible Roku IR remote or official voice remote can be paired easily. Universal remotes programmed for Roku TV are also reliable alternatives. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.